Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing clean edges and tacking parts. This prevents warping. Use a stainless MIG wire, 0.8 mm for thin sheet, and set voltage in the 18 to 22 V range. Wire feed at 200 to 300 IPM depending on thickness. Once tacked, test on scrap to dial travel speed and heat. Make sure shielding gas is flowing. 98/2 argon/CO2 reduces oxidation. Now, weld in short, controlled passes to limit heat input and preserve corrosion resistance. You should use a push technique with a 10 to 15 degree angle. That creates a clean, convex bead and keeps slag out. Overlap each bead by about 1/4 to 1/2 inch for uniform fusion. If the part is thin, pause to let it cool or clamp a backing bar. This prevents burn-through and distortion. Once done with the root, step up wire slightly for fill if needed. Finish by removing slag and spatter. Grind using stainless-specific discs to avoid contaminating the metal with iron. Then pickle or chemically passivate to reform the chromium oxide layer. This restores corrosion resistance. Inspect weld color. A straw to blue tint is normal. Heavy black or gray indicates overheating. If you see porosity, check shielding gas flow, ensure the nozzle and contact tip are clean, and confirm wire hasn't absorbed moisture. If distortion occurs, add clamps and redo short, cooler passes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.